Hello and welcome. This video will guide you through the steps on how to process a credit sale, debit sale, refund, void, reprint receipt, and closing batch on a PAX A80 terminal with the surcharge program. Before getting started, it's important to understand what the credit surcharge program is. Introduced in 2013, credit card surcharging became a way to enable businesses to pass on the processing fee to the customer when they choose to use credit cards for their convenience or rewards. The cost of accepting credit cards, especially cards with rewards, has become a big operating expense. This program simply helps reduce the cost of doing business and increases the bottom line. Remember, the credit surcharge fee is only applicable to credit cards. This means that all debit and prepaid card transactions do not impose a surcharge fee. So, if your customer refuses to pay the surcharge amount, you may offer them alternative payment methods that your business accepts. These may include debit card, prepaid card, cash, or check. Also, please be aware that you are required by law to disclose the surcharge program to your customers in 3 distinct locations. 1 is at the point of entry of store or the office. 2 is at the point of the sale. And 3 on the customer's receipt. Now, to begin processing, select the Vantiv application from the home screen. To run a credit sale, select Sale from the idle screen. Enter the sale amount and select Confirm. Now, insert, swipe, or manually enter the card number. The transaction will process and prompt for the customer to select OK to confirm and accept, or Cancel to reject the surcharge. Selecting Cancel will immediately reverse the transaction. Again, if the customer refuses to pay this fee, you may select Cancel and offer them the alternative payment methods. Next, we will run a debit sale. From the idle screen, swipe left or select Debit on the screen. Select Sale. Enter the sale amount and select Confirm. Allow the customer to enter their PIN and select Enter. The transaction status will then display and print the receipt. When processing a refund, keep in mind that you do not need to calculate the surcharge fee and add it to the refund amount yourself. The system will automatically calculate and refund this amount for you. To process a refund to a credit card, make sure you are under the Credit tab and then select Return. Enter the refund amount and then select Confirm, and insert, swipe, or manually enter the card number and confirm the transaction. Please note, if the refund is to be processed to a debit card, you will need to select Return under the Debit tab and follow the same instructions. Similar to the refund process, to void credit transactions, you will select the Credit tab, and to void debit transactions, you will select the Debit tab. From the appropriate tab, select V/Sale, which is short for void sale. You will be asked to enter the original transaction number and then select Confirm. Note, the original transaction number can be found on the transaction's receipt. Once entered, you will be asked to confirm if the displayed transaction is the correct one to be voided. You may then scroll down to select Confirm, and the transaction will be voided. As a reminder, voiding a transaction can only be done on the same day as the original transaction before the end-of-day batch has been settled. To print the last transaction receipt once again, from the idle screen, swipe left to go to the Functions tab. Select Reprint and then Print Last. Please note that similar to the void function, reprint may only be used for same-day transactions before the end of day batch settlement. To settle or close a batch manually, you may go to the Functions tab, select the Batch option, and when prompted, select Batch Close. The terminal will then process the batch and display the status.